Alright, we're wandering around Cars Land. Still haven't found Lee's. I think Luigi might know. Let's go talk to Luigi. Right in here. Alright, let's go. Hello, have you seen my wife? Oh, Ferrari. Ma, we need some your stroller. The white walls on your. That's what we need. Not stroller, scooter. Yes, Ferrari. That's what it is. It's Ferrari.
We can start the drunk of the meeting. Okay.
Yeah, you got it.
It's all good. It's all good.
Listening to Luigi, I'm sure you will be celebrating.
All right, we gotta do the straps again.
Perfect. For your safety, please fasten your seatbelt.
Loosen it all the way up.
Arms, feet, and legs inside at all of the times. Prego, remain seated and keep your eye on your bambini. Grazie.
Ready?
I don't think so.
You're manager here like this and this.
All I know is I'm looking for Lee's and I'm trying to find her. And
Yes, you are. Yeah.
well, we got a nice car now. We'll go for a nice long drive. We'll look all over from her.
All right.
Why are we moving?
And the music hasn't started.
Music?
Turn the radio on and you'll go. That's the way this car works.
Why do we need music?
The dances.
Dancing? You never see no dancing. Cars don't dance, Mom.
This car dances.
Oh, you are so full of it.
No. It's a
See?
true story.
I think our car stalled out.
No. It's waiting for its music.
What music?
The dancing music.
Well, what's wrong with the music it's playing?
They can't dance to that music. It's not its music.
What?
It needs special music.
I think we're melting here in the sun.
Yeah, we are. Come on. Make us dance.
We're stuck in the sun in Radiator Springs. We're melting. Alright.
Can we close cartoon town?
We're going. Why are we going sideways? Cars don't go sideways.
Dancing.
Why are we dancing?
Can you save us? We're in this society. Luigi protected. Luigi everyone. Very loud. I'm scared. Oh no! What the heck was that? You got a two-step? Whoa! Hi, how you doing? Whoa! Save the day!
What? Save the day? Whoa! All right, everyone. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Out! Out! Oh no! Here comes the big finish! Everybody! This is not where we parked.
All of your belongings and watch you step.
All right, we gotta go. I don't think we found Lee's.